Sports are essential for our youth today. In fact, consider this. Sports is the only part of the education process where it's positive reinforcement.
My son Liam's a basketball player, and he injured his knee last January. And Dr. DeFabio was recommended by the folks over at Gabriel Fitness.
As a gym owner, there's lots of people that need to be part of your team that you need to have relationships with to help keep your clients as healthy as possible.
One of the most common injuries we see with youth athletes is the sprained ankle or rolled ankle, and we get excellent results. I have a very unique protocol for that. We start treating them day one with, it's called Graston, but it's an instrument-assisted massage. Get the inflammation out, a special type of taping to stabilize it that doesn't restrict movement, adjustments on the foot if needed, and then exercises as soon as we can. And that gets kids back really, really quick.
Liam, he had a damage to his knee. Dr. DeFabio helped him pinpoint his issues, his form, and strengthen him, and basically give him the treatment that he needed to get better and start playing again.
The next common injury we see would probably be shoulder problems.
I woke up in the middle of the night and I was unable to lift my shoulder at all. It's important that I have both of my shoulders because I'm so dependent on them.
Balancing the muscles of the shoulder, but looking at the elbow, looking at the neck, looking at the upper back, because the shoulder girdle sits on the rib cage and it's all tied together. So you have to balance that whole area to get it working well.
When I'm here and I observe some of the treatments that Dr. DeFabio gives to my son, they're informative, and I think they're things that any athlete can use to prevent injuries and to stay in shape.
Whereas I think a lot of doctors, they just treat you when you come in, they send you on your way, and you're just coming back week after week. But the education, I think, is really important because it helps people understand why they're here.
Usually when you're here, it's because of something negative. You're not here, for anything other than trying to get better from something that was negative. And if there's a place to be, it would be here.
And as athletes start getting to a higher level, everyone's kind of on the same playing field, and what's going to give them that edge? And that's being able to stay healthy all the time. And Dr. DeFabio, I've seen firsthand, has been able to do that.
The great thing about using sports medicine for everybody is, what does an athlete want? They want to get better quickly, they want to stay in the game. That's what I bring to the table with all of my patients. Rapid results and staying in the game. What can you do versus what you can't do?